call Brahmine, a Charvatian literary novelist. My name is Vavisha. I study in Children K School Grade 5. Today we are going to learn about the United Nations, Part 4. In the previous video, we learned about the organs of the UN and the General Assembly. In this video, we are going to learn about the Security Council. The Security Council is the most important organ of the UN. It has 15 members, and out of these, 5 are permanent members, and the remaining are elected by the General Assembly for the period of 2 years. The 5 permanent members of the Security Council are the Russian Federation, USA, China, the United Kingdom, and France. The Security Council is responsible for maintaining international peace. It tries to resolve disputes through talks or peaceful measures. However, sometimes it may decide to send peacekeeping forces to countries. The permanent members have a power called veto power. This means that if any permanent member votes against an issue which is discussed in the Security Council, the matter will not be passed. Here is an image of the chamber of the Security Council. Thank you for learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Wait for part 5.